Alltrail versus Kfor. Which real estate CRM wins in 2025? Real estate professionals know the right CRM can make or break your business. Today, we're comparing Alltrail and Kfor in 2025 to see which CRM comes out on top. Let's start with Alltrail. Alltrail is praised for its intuitive interface and lead generation tools. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate the value of automation. But Alltrail automates follow-ups, tracks client engagement, and even prioritizes leads based on likelihood to convert. Its analytics dashboards make it easy to see which marketing campaigns actually work. Kfor, on the other hand, is a more robust platform designed for both agents and teams. It offers AI-driven lead scoring, integrated X websites, and smart drip campaigns. You won't believe what happens next. Kfor can automatically assign leads to agents based on territory or performance, helping teams scale without missing opportunities. Pricing is another factor. Alltrail is slightly more affordable for solo agents, while Kfor can get expensive for larger teams but provides unmatched automation and integrations. Both platforms support mobile apps, but Kfor's app is more feature-rich, giving agents full control while on the go. So, which wins? If you're a solo agent looking for simplicity and affordable automation, Alltrail is an excellent choice. If you manage a team or need deep automation and lead management, Kfor stands out. The surprising truth is that the best CRM isn't always the one with the most features. It's the one that fits your workflow, budget, and growth plans. For many agents, combining strong automation with usability is a key to success.